back again with the spark plug change. I got the rear two on this side. So I completed that side. I got the rear two on this side. And now I'm working on this front two. This is going to be kind of hard. I got the boot off, but it looks like I'm going to have to go down through here. So I'm underneath the car, and it's like really hard for me to see. So I'm going to try it from the top right here. We'll see how it works out. All right, you see I got the socket on it. See if I can get, there it is. Wait a minute. Let me get that light on. All right, you see there? I got the socket on it. And so we're going to go ahead and try and pull that. I already got it cracked loose. Getting it in might be a kind of crazy, difficult situation. But we got that wrench on it, and we're going to get that out of there. Yeah, we probably do it from hand from there. Yeah, crap. Get the extension disconnected out of there. Alright, gee. Okay, so bear with me. Alright, so from the top, I got that plug out. It's really not that bad of a plug. I mean, there's carbon on all these plugs, but it's really not that bad. So, after we get this one in, we got one more, that front one. Okay, so I got that third one out right there and replaced that. So I got the 3 on this side replaced. I'm working on the front one up here, which is the hardest because you have this old style air conditioning compressor right here. But I found a way to do it by taking my arm and sticking it through this way, and my other arm I stick through this gap, and I'm able to tool the spark plug. And so we're about to get this last plug in, and I thought that front one would be a whole lot harder than it actually was, but I guess getting the new plug in will be the difficult part because I can't see the hole at all. So I'll be feeling, and lightly threading so I don't cross thread. So yeah, without taking anything apart on the car, we've been able to replace all the spark plugs, and I'm working on that last one right now. Again, in case you guys ever do this job and you have this old style air conditioning compressor on here, what I do is through this gap here, I stick my arm to get that plug, and I fish it down in between. See how my arm is? Fish down between there like that. It gives you access to the boot, and I could even feel the hole with my finger from there. And from this gap, I'm using my other hand. I'm sticking it down through here like this, and working over to that side. And that way I'm able to tool it with both hands. Of course, I couldn't do that holding the phone, but final plug. And where is she? Right here in the box waiting for me. Okay, so that's our final spark plug. And once we get that in there, we'll be good to go with the plugs. Okay, so that's it. Got the final plug in. I showed you how I did that. And now we have all new plugs in our Corvette. And we're happy. We're going to be doing an oil change. Not today, though. All right, everybody, come back and watch and see my progress with my '71 Corvette. So we got our new plugs, and we're happy.